We are in Gulmarg for 5 days, and 5 days we are going to learn skiing.
From skiing as if I'm driving a car to even falling down and finally be able to ski from the mountain top. I will cover everything you need to know about ski and what you can do in Gulmarg. With warm clothes, food and camera gear packed, I'm off to Srinagar from where I'll drive down to Gulmarg. श्रीनगर पहुंचते ही सबसे पहले हमारा वहां पे रैपिड कोविड टेस्ट हुआ एट द एयरपोर्ट और उसके बाद हमने हमारी जर्नी गुलमर्ग की तरफ कंटिन्यू की. To keep our energy high level, we did a pit stop at Amigos restaurant near airport to have their delicious pizza and falafel. Srinagar to Gulmarg is approximately 2 hours journey by the road. On our way, we took a short detour to Drang village near Tangmarg to see frozen waterfall. You can see Drang frozen waterfall in winters as they release water from the hydroelectronic plant which is on its way down freezes, creating an amazing visual for photography. Sadly, when we reached, इतनी snowfall नहीं हुई थी और ना ही इतना ठंडा था कि water frozen हो जाए, तो हमें frozen waterfall देखने नहीं मिला. Nevertheless, there is a water stream and it's surrounded by mountains with snow around. They have also created various spots for photography which during winter is covered with the snow. Even without frozen waterfall, it was a perfect spot to start our journey and get used to the snow. हम गुलमर्ग शाम तक पहुंचे and after checking into my resort Pine Palace, who thankfully upgraded my room to one of their best room, the evening was for us to relax and wait for the exciting days to come.
Good morning, guys. Today is our first day to learn ski. I'm super excited and I got more excited after looking outside my window. It's beautiful outside. So let's see, today is my day 1. I don't know कितनी बार मैं गिरूंगी और कैसे मैं करूंगी, but I'm super excited. So let's go first, have a breakfast, enjoy the snowfall and then learn the ski.
After breakfast, as I stepped out, even sun was out, giving us a clear sky and amazing view. It was so beautiful. Every hotel was lit with the sunlight and the snow below. We made our way to our ski instructor, and before we start the lesson, हम पहले ski shop गए to rent ski boots, ski board and the poles. They made us try boots as per our shoe size and also given us the ski board as per our height. Height के हिसाब से आपको अपनी ski मिलती है. So once we got that, we hired a porter who helped us carry the ski boards and the boots every day to the beginner slope जहाँ हम ski सीखेंगे. We made our way towards beginner slope and weather changed from sunny to a foggy one with zero visibility.
We have reached where we are going to do the ski. Now let's meet the team. We have here Rena.
Hi, I'm Jill.
Yes, you remember them from Kalsubai.
I'm Rushil.
New member.
I am also Rushil.
We have two Rushils. And
Hi, I'm Hitvi.
My ski partner. We are
Dead accent.
yes. Our team is going to do well. That's our target. Now we are just waiting for our ski gear to come. We have our shoes and ski fit, and now Porter will get it, and we are just waiting for them.
इसमें बाइंडिंग होती है, ये होती है टो बाइंडिंग, ये होती है हील बाइंडिंग।
Okay.
ठीक है, तो इसको टिप बोलते हैं हम। ऑलवेज आपका इंस्ट्रक्टर बोलेगा ओपन योर हील, दैट मीन यू हैव टू ओपन इट लाइक दैट, हील आपका ओपन होगा। ओके, ये राइट है आपका। हाँ ठीक है, दोनों इक्वल। तो आपका टिप बोलेगा टिप्स क्लोज रखो, यानी कि ये टिप है, आप दोनों स्कीज का टिप आपको आगे से क्लोज। ये हील है, हील बाइंडिंग, ये टो बाइंडिंग है। तो हील बाइंडिंग का आपको ज्यादा है, क्या है, हील आपके ऑलवेज ओपन रहनी चाहिए। अभी आपको सीखना है कंट्रोल। बैलेंस के बाद आता है कंट्रोल। कंट्रोल मेन है, स्कीइंग में कंट्रोल है। तो रेडी हो जाओ आप अपने अपने टीचर्स के साथ। स्टॉप, कम कम कम, गो 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 गो, स्लोली स्लोली, go slowly. लेफ्ट की ओर फोकस करो, लेफ्ट की ओर फोकस करो। फोकस, यस, फोकस भी मैन है। जहां आप फोकस करोगे वहां आपका स्कीज जाएगा। यस, देखा।
Slowly and steadily, we started learning balance and movements on the ski, and also navigating through the crowd because chances of someone clashing to you is very high.
Instead of a normal snowfall, it is a thick snowfall. I don't know how do I show it to you. It's this thick. Wow.
पहले सेशन के बाद हमने लंच ब्रेक लिया टू हैव गर्मा गर्म मैगी। आफ्टर अ क्विक लंच हमने हमारे लेसन्स वापस से शुरू किए। वी क्लाइम्ड अप द स्लोप एंड वी केम डाउन स्कीइंग एंड देन अगेन क्लाइम्ब द स्लोप टू कम डाउन अगेन स्कीइंग। The focus on day 1 was to do snow plow to maintain our speed, basically keeping our ski in A shape by opening our heels. हमारा पहला दिन स्की लेसन्स का काफ़ी अच्छा गया and we ended the day with a happy smile and a bright sky. Later on, we headed to India's first igloo cafe.
So we are done with our ski and now we have come to this igloo cafe. You can see behind me. It's very pretty. It's small igloo and you can just go inside, sit, click pictures. They give you kava, so you can have that. And now we are just, there is a fresh snow around. So we are just taking the pictures and the guys are on top. So let's go there and do the sliding. काफ़ी सॉफ्ट स्नो मिला तो हमने बहुत ही मज़ा किया, बहुत सारे वीडियोस और रील्स निकाले. सो स्टे ट्यून टू सी दैट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
Second day welcomed us with lots and lots of snowfall. पूरा प्लेस फ्रेश स्नो से कवर हो गया था, जिसकी वजह से हमारे लेसन्स भी थोड़े लेट शुरू हुए बिकॉज हम वेट कर रहे थे कि स्काई कब क्लियर हो. बट स्नो डिडंट वांटेड टू लीव अस एंड वी हैड टू स्टार्ट आवर लेसन्स इन द स्नो. We reached the top of the beginner slope, and after getting into our ski boots and the ski, we started coming down using the snow plow technique in this heavy snowfall. स्नोफॉल रुकने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा था. थ्रू आउट आवर लंच ब्रेक एंड लेटर ऑन एज वेल स्नोफॉल कंटिन्यूसली होते रहा, जिसकी वजह से एज अ बिगनर्स वी कुडंट कंटिन्यू विद आवर लेसन्स और हमें डे को यहाँ पे ही एंड करना पड़ा.
So today was kind of an unusual day, and I'm going to this place called Highland Park for early dinner come snacks, more like late evening snacks, just for the experience, because apparently it is one of the good place to have a dinner with a view. I'm not sure, so let's go and see how it is. Yes, I'm all bundled up because it's quite cold today. It was snowing the whole day and it's quite slippery. So let me just shut this camera and walk, otherwise I'll just slip off.
Traveling around Gulmarg is very easy as it's very small place. Most of the place walkable distance पे ही आपको मिल जाएगी अगर आप city center में रहते हो. But alternatively, you can hire a car which can do pick up and drop to any of the locations you want to do. Charges comparatively थोड़े ज़्यादा है, but that is also because यहाँ पे roads full of snow है और यहाँ पे गाड़ी चलाना थोड़ा difficult है. Was a perfect way to end a crazy snowfall day with a warm and cozy feeling of this restaurant. We sat by the fireplace to keep ourselves warm and enjoyed the view outside. Our day 2 ended, and there is more in the coming days as we explore Gulmarg and also improve on skiing. Stay tuned for more parts to come, and before you leave,
For your daily dose of
Eat travel fun.
like, share, subscribe.